We recently sold a house for a client that had a relatively small foundation problem, but you knew there was an issue because the kitchen counter, because of some settling, had a crack in it, and then the tile and the kitchen floor, in between the tiles, there was some cracking and one of the tiles was coming up just a little bit. And so when you disclose that, yeah, there's a problem with the foundation, that's a pretty big unknown for a buyer to accept. And the type of repairs that you want to do are the ones that are unknown. A sewer line replacement. Most buyers don't have any idea what it costs to replace the sewer line. And in this case, we do this thing called the repair advance where we paid for the $20,000 pin pile job. And I think that $20,000 probably got our client $100,000 more for the house, because that's the kind of discount you end up having to give a buyer who's going to accept an unknown like that.